It's summer and I'm going to be making a drink that my wife hates, but I love, and it's called Falooda. And I went to the shop to look for the ingredients and I couldn't find what is called the Falooda Save. So I said, okay, let's go to Amazon and let's buy one packet. So I just got the packet and here it is, the one packet of Falooda mix, Falooda Save. So basically, I don't know if you can get these in the shops. I'm sure you can, but they look something like this, the Falooda Save over here. But what I have here is I've already made it. So you have to boil water, and in the boiling water, let the Falooda Save cook for, let's say, a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, until it becomes soft, but without becoming too mushy. So that's what it will look like. Now, apart from that, you also need for Falooda a thing called basil seeds. Sabja seeds is what they call it, and you put it in water, and you can just soak it for a few minutes, and this is what it will look like. You just soak it in water for a minute, and it'll look like fish eggs or something. Some people find this really gross, but it really tastes good. Then what I have is the Rooh Afza. I don't know if there's any other rose syrup. This is the only brand that I know of. And then we'll need vanilla ice cream, and we'll need milk. So let's get that, and it's as simple as that. Just putting these things together, along with we need some cashew nuts. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let me just show you how I make it. I'm sure many other people make it differently, but this is the way I make Falooda. Okay, so first I'll put some milk, about 1 cup, but it's nothing too serious. You don't need to measure and put. It depends on how much milk you want, how much quantity you want, but that's okay. Then you put this Falooda, enough to sweeten it, but not too much. It shouldn't overwhelm. Last time I made it, it wasn't sweet enough, so I'm just putting a little extra. Mix it. So this is basically Falooda with milk. Then what I like to do is I'll put this Falooda Save into here. Okay. Then after putting the Save, I'll put some ice cream. And again, this all depends on how sweet you want it, how cold you want it. One more thing I forgot was jelly, and this I'd made last night, and this is like how you usually make jelly. And I would actually, if I forgot about that I had the jelly, I would put that underneath. I wouldn't put that on top, but sadly I forgot, so I'm just going to put it on top. Okay. Then we have the cashew nuts. You can break and put, or with that. With that, your Falooda is ready. So this is the Falooda. It is a really big cup. Like I said, this is a really great summer drink. Some people don't like it, but I love it. Falooda. It's not very sweet. If you want it sweeter, you'd probably put more of that Falooda, more of that Rooh Afza mixture. But otherwise, it's really nice. So that was Falooda.